Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Hijabi's cooking show. Today we are going to see how to cook chicken biryani. These are the ingredients you need. First, take a clean pot and add 1 kg of chicken. (250 grams of curd). Half cup of ginger and garlic paste. A handful of coriander and mint leaves. 50 grams of masala powder. Two teaspoons salt for taste. And mix everything together well. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And marinate in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. Now let's see how to cook biryani. These are the ingredients you need. Take a large pot and add 100 grams of ghee. Add half cup of plum, half cup of cashew nuts, and quarter cup of chana dal, and fry till golden brown. Now add the marinated chicken into the pot. Now add cup of fried onion and cook for 30 minutes in low flame. Now let's layer the rice as shown in the video. With chicken curry, cooked basmati rice, fried onion, fried potato, coriander and mint leaves. Add yellow coloring and biryani essence over the layered rice. And keep tightly closed under very low flame. While biryani is being cooked, let's see how to make moldy fish sambal, which is a side dish with biryani. Now mix all of them together to make a tasty and aromatic moldy fish sambal. Now our chicken biryani is ready to be served hot. Biryani is always excellent when served hot. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more delicious videos. Bye bye now.